some questions about meaningful sentences and what they need to do on this. So I wanted to send a little video to help you. So once you've opened up the meaningful sentences, you'll see a slideshow that looks like this. We practiced this during word study, but I wanted to give a reminder. Meaningful sentences, we have this suffix right here of full. So that means sentences that are full of meaning. They're going to help you figure out the definitions of different words. The next slide is a review slide because we've been working with prefix. So remember, a prefix comes before a root word to change the meaning. And we've been working with 3 different prefixes. We've been working with pre, un, and re. So we said pre means before. Like I need to preheat the oven before I can put anything in. I have to heat up the oven before. Un means not. So if that is so unkind, that would mean it's not kind. And re means again. So if you need to rewrite something, that means you're going to have to write it again. The next slide is my example slide. So I start by giving you a word, and the word is rebuild. You then have to figure out the definition using the prefix. Well, if the prefix here is re and the root word is build, I can look back at this slide and say, oh, re means again. So that means the definition would be to build again. Finally, you have to write your own meaningful sentence. That means it's a sentence that's going to help people understand what the word rebuild means. Think about it like you're trying to explain what the word means to a kindergarten buddy. That's how I want your sentence to read. So this is my example sentence. I built a tall tower of blocks, but my brother knocked it down, so I had to rebuild my tower by stacking all of the blocks back on top of each other. If you notice, I use my word rebuild in the sentence, but there are clues around it that tell friends what that word means. In my sentence, I have my brother knocked it down. So I built it, but it was knocked down. So I had to rebuild my tower, and then by stacking all the blocks back on top of each other. Those 2 parts give me a hint what the word means. So now it's going to be your turn. So you will try with the word unafraid. So you'll start by saying, what does that word mean based on this prefix un? And then you're going to tell me a sentence. You can make it 1 sentence or 2 if it's easier to add a second sentence. You'll do the same thing with retell. So think about what is your prefix, what is your root word, tell me the definition, and write a meaningful sentence. Go ahead and give it a try. I know you guys will do awesome. Okay, I'll talk with you guys soon.